So we're on to hydrogen bonding now. They're telling us that the hydroxyl group is responsible for many properties of alcohol. Methanol is soluble in water because it's got polar bonds. They're talking about that for you. There's lots of clues here about where you're going with this. We've got the electronegativity values for these elements. And we'll need to use a labelled diagram to explain why methanol is soluble in water. So we're going to use displayed formulae, all sorts of little bits and pieces in this one not to miss out. Partial charges of the two most polar bonds in a methanol molecule and the polar bonds in the water molecule. All lone pairs shown, label the most important intermolecular bond. So we've got the displayed structure of water here. It's got two lone pairs on the oxygen. It's got the delta plus delta minus for the CO and the delta plus delta minus for the OH bond. Yeah, two most polar bonds. Also got that labelled up there. For completeness, you can do that one. I've also got the lone pairs on this oxygen here. All lone pairs. Then we've got the hydrogen bond dotties or these little dashed lines, and I've labelled it down here.